Hey guys. Well, looks like my luck has run out. Chris, appreciate you holding out the fort, man. But I think it's time I step back into my familiar territory. This feels like home. You know, sometimes I lay awake wondering, why am I here? Why am I at the bottom? Did I do something wrong in my past life? Should I be doing something with my keepers? Is it wrong to treat free auction money the same way I treat my mutual funds? These are questions I just do not have answers to yet. But what I do have realized is that I like to set the bar low. Like real low. Take this video for example. It's late. Drew's frantically texting me it's late. I have no poster of Joe Biden, no fucking noodles, no tampons in my nose, and no quotes. And to keep with the theme of setting the bar low, I've decided that I'm going to drink America's shittiest beer. Old style. Don't remember how to do this. There we go. Cheers, mates. Oh, that was gross. All right, well, to leave you guys with a quote, I'd like to quote Matt Damon's character in SNL, Brett Kavanaugh, as he quotes Clint Eastwood's character in Gran Torino. Get the hell off my lawn. That's it. That's all I got.